The point list displays all points of the rigging plot in a list. Here you have the option of sorting the list in 3 different ways: by type, by name, and by downstage-upstage. Sort by type. Here the points are sorted by the type of hoist, for example 1 ton, 2 ton, half ton. Sort by name. Here the points are sorted alphabetically by name. Tapping the selected tab again reverses the sorting order from descending to ascending. Sort by downstage-upstage. Here the points are sorted and grouped by the downstage-upstage measurement. All points are listed in stage left, stage right, instead of X and Y. In the Pointlist screen, you have the filter button in the top left corner. Currently, it's set to all points. Tap on it to change the filtering. For example, if you want to view only stage left points for easy markout. Using the Units button in the top right corner, you can change units in your show. Tap on any point in the point list to view the bridle configuration.